Well, hello there. Very good evening. This is Yes 101 Visual Radio coming to you directly from our studios in Colombo. I am Mariam Ganavijaya, and we have all the stories that matter to you today on Visual Radio as usual. We start off with some stories concerning the weather situation in the country. The Ceylon Electricity Board has confirmed widespread power outages across several areas in the country due to strong winds that swept through the country since last evening. CEB spokesperson Dhammika Vimalaratne says the teams have already been deployed to restore electricity in the affected areas. Residents are encouraged to report power failures promptly using the CEB Assist mobile application, which has been activated to streamline response efforts. It's called the CEB Assist mobile application. Meanwhile, fallen trees caused by the high winds have led to delays on key railway lines, including the Main Line, the Kalani Valley Line and the Chillout Line. Although no train cancellations have been reported, services remain delayed as clearing operations continue. At the same time, the Met Department has also issued a weather advisory. Issuing an amber alert, the Met Department says that due to the active southwestern monsoon, the prevailing rainy conditions are expected to continue in the southwestern parts of the island. Heavy falls above 100 millimeters are likely at some places in the western, Sabaragamuwa and the northwestern provinces, and in the Galle, Matra, Nuwara Eliya and Kandy districts. Strong winds of about 50 to 60 kilometers per hour can be expected at times over the western, Sabaragamuwa, central, southern, northern, north-central and northwestern provinces and in the Trincomalee district due to the active southwestern monsoonal condition. Fairly strong winds about 30 to 40 kilometers per hour can be expected at times elsewhere of the island as well. On your screens right now are visuals of what Colombo and many areas across the country look like due to these extreme weather conditions. Let's take a look. In more local news, a foreign national was arrested early this morning at the Bandaranaike International Airport in Kattunayake while attempting to smuggle over 10 kilograms of cocaine into Sri Lanka. Well, according to police, the suspect had concealed 10.3 kilograms of the narcotic substance inside teddy bears in an apparent attempt to evade detection. The arrest was made during a joint operation conducted by officers from the Police Narcotics Bureau and the customs officials stationed at the airport. The suspect was taken into custody during a routine inspection at the arrival terminal.
International news.
And in international news, South Korea's left-wing presidential frontrunner Lee Yong-mung proposed to amend the constitution to make it more difficult to impose martial law, aiming to prevent political crises like the one that erupted last year. As candidates entered their final stretch before the snatched presidential election on the 3rd of June, Lee and his Democratic Party urged South Koreans to come out to vote to end the political turmoil that has gripped the country since ousted conservative leader Yoon Suk-yeol's short-lived martial law declaration in December last year.
Sports news.
And of course, in sports news this evening, we have cricket. Josh Hazlewood marked a spectacular return after injury, taking 3 wickets to dismantle Punjab Kings' top order with precision and swing. According to foreign media reports, his spell at the start of the innings not only left Punjab Kings reeling but also pushed him back into the top 3 of the Purple Cap standings. And with 21 wickets from 11 innings, he has jumped to the number 3 spot. Well, those are your top stories on Yes 101 Visual Radio this evening. Thank you very much for joining us. We will see you once again. Until next time, I'm Mariam Gunavijaya.